A warm welcome. In this video, we will show you the procedure for the electrical connection of the sunny Highpower PEAK3. For all work on the product, always observe the instructions in the valid operating manual and all safety notices. Before starting work on the inverter, make sure that the inverter is disconnected and secured against being switched on again. In this view, you can see the main connection area with the dedicated grounding point, DC connection, AC terminals, and the network communication ports. Before we begin connecting the RC conductors, we first check the technical requirements of the system. Depending on the configuration, a suitable medium voltage transformer is required for this. Next, we prepare the cables according to the specifications. Now we connect the PE, L1, L2, and L3 conductors to the terminal blocks according to the labeling. We insert each conductor fully into its respective terminal and then tighten the screws. Afterwards, we check the correct assignment and secure fit of all conductors. Finally, we tighten the lock nut on the cable glands. Next, we loosen the lock nut from the cable gland. We feed all the cables through the cable gland. Then we route the cables to the network socket and secure them according to the installation plan. If necessary, we assemble the RJ45 connectors according to the manufacturer's instructions. Afterwards, we plug the network cables into the network sockets. By pulling evenly, we check whether the cable is securely in place. Finally, we hand tighten the lock nut. For outdoor installations, we first install a surge protector. Lastly, we either connect the network cable directly to the router or network the inverters in a line topology. The additional grounding can be connected here at the designated grounding point. Before connecting to the inverter, please ensure that all the requirements for the DC connection have been met. Only when all prerequisites are met do we begin with the connection. First, we make sure that there is no voltage on the DC cables. Then, we prepare the DC conductors. Next, we clean the contact surfaces of all cable lugs with a clean cloth and ethanol cleaner. Now we connect the DC cables to each other. To do this, we insert the combination screw from the back through the round holes of the cable lugs and secure it from the front with a washer and hex nut. We tighten the connection with a torque wrench, making sure to observe the correct polarity. Finally, we place the touch protection elements around the cable lugs and snap them together until they audibly click into place. With that, the DC connection is complete. After a successful connection, the device is ready for commissioning. We hope this video has helped answer your questions. If you need further assistance, check out more tech tips on our channel or leave your questions in the comments below this video. Would you like to always see the latest tech tips for SMA products? Then subscribe to our channel.